called crossbreeding. Crossbreeding means Mendel wanted to learn more about how traits are passed from one parent to offspring, so he used pollen from one stalk of the plant to fertilize the female part of flowers from another stalk of the plant. For example, he took male parts from pink flower and make a crossbreeding, which is mean fertilization with female part from white flower. So he make it with himself. Okay, so this is means with the crossbreeding. This process is called crossbreeding, and this process produce a plant that has different parents. So here we have different parent with different genetic trait. Mendel studied 7 different traits of pea plants. Each of the traits had 2 contrasting forms. For example, seed color is one example of the trait Mendel studied. The seeds were either green or yellow, so he studied about the seed colors, and we have 2 options of seed color, either green or yellow color. Okay, Mendel wanted to see what would happen if he made a plant from 2 parents that had different traits. The offspring of crosses between parents with a different trait are called hybrids or heterogeneous crossing. Heterogeneous crossing means that we have 2 different traits or the opposite different of trait between parents. It will crossing between them and produce generation. So hybrids mean crossing between parents with different traits. It is self-fertilization, produce offspring with different traits. Okay, so let's see here. Here we have parental cross. Here we have a pollen from the purple or pink flower and ovula or egg from the white color. So pollen here it represents for male part, and ovula or eggs it represents for female part. Okay. When we make a crossing between a white flower and purple or pink flower, the first generation that produced is very shocked. It will be all of them, it will be pink or purple flower. Okay, also here we have another example. Here we have an ovula or female purple flower and male white flower. Also, when we do crossing between them, the first generation will be produced, all of them are pink flower. So 100% are pink or purple. Okay, and this is what shocked of Mendel. Okay, so where the white color disappear, here we have a disappearing of white color. So what happened to the white color? This is what we want to know it in the next slide. So To conclusion, when a pink flower plant was crossed with a white flower plant, all the offspring produce pink flower. Okay, it seemed that the white trait had disappeared. The same thing happened with each of the other trait. Mendel drew two conclusions from this. So, what are the conclusions for Mendel after doing crossbreeding and true